hotel is very recommended because
grabe. Medyo malayo to sa sea. And then this. Ayan, Kevin. Ako din.
So back in the hotel, we have to fix things, as you can see, because this is our last day here in Kowloon Hotel. Then tomorrow we're on a different island, pero nasa Hong Kong pa rin kami. Nasa Lantau naman kami tomorrow, another hotel, kasi we're going to Hong Kong Disneyland, and that's the last 2 days that we're gonna stay here in Hong Kong. So see you guys. Bye, Kowloon. This is our last day here in Kowloon, so we're going to another island, which is Lantau, and another hotel. This hotel is very recommended because the Golden Hotel is very recommended because it's in the middle of the shopping mall. Also, you get restaurants.
Good thing we chose to take an Uber to Opage Discovery Bay. It's about like 30 minutes drive from Kowloon and costs us around 244 Hong Kong dollars. With its exclusive vibe and tours for private cars, rideshare was definitely the smart choice.
First time.
Oh, first time?
First time here?
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Grabe. Medyo malayo to sa city, guys. So, pero malapit siya sa Disneyland. What can you say? Parang province area na siya, ganun na type. If you don't want like crowded places, maybe we can recommend this Opage Discovery Bay Hotel.
Yep.
Done na yung check-in.
Disneyland.
What? Bam! Talk to the vlog. Vlogog.
So we're here, free iced tea. So finally we have a bottle of water. Ubusin namin yung bottle of water tapos kuha kami niya. Never mind, guys.
Unsweetened iced tea with lemon. Okay, go ahead.
Hey guys, lobby area.
Grabe, dami na naming maleta. Maletang maleta yarn. Kasi bumili kami last minute ng this maleta, small, and another large maleta for the whole trip. And then, dinispose nyo na yung luggage nyo na color block. Kasi panahon pa ng kopong-kopong yun. Oh, I thought we're on the end.
So you guys remember yung hotel namin sa Kowloon? Is di ganon. Ito ang hotel next so di ganyan.
Okay. Room tour, guys. Oh, This is the bathroom. I didn't expect this. Oh, nice. Parang pwede magpaligo ng dog dito. Nice view. We book our stay through the Trip.com app, a mountain view room with a king bed for 2 nights, including breakfast for around $375. Well, not bad for a 5-star hotel, right? Okay, nice. And the view. Bam, anong mas gusto mo? Sa Semsatsu o dito? I think dito, yeah. Parang peaceful yung vibe dito. Super nice. I like it. And big bed. Well, it's a 5-star hotel. Pero ano it's very affordable na 5-star hotel. We were honestly amazed to see this. There's a vending machine right here for extra toiletries and sleepers in your room. Such a smart and convenient idea, isn't it? Just wow. Very peaceful.
The difference between living in the city of Hong Kong and living in the suburb area of Hong Kong.
Yeah. So what do you like most?
Siguro malalim. Para dito tayo.
Hinahanap kita, andyan ka pala. Okay, we're now here in second floor. Oh, magkamukha kayo. Long lost friend. Ito pa ba? Ngayon mo kasi yung pose. And then this. Yes! At tindahin niya. Ano pa? Nice pa.
Either on the website you can
Access. And now, stepping outside the hotel, you'll find everything you need like laundry shops, salon, restaurants, and even a marketplace. But the best part, there's a Filipino store called Coco Express. I wasn't expecting this and now I can't wait to check it out. Guys, may mga Asian store pala sa gilid. Grabe.
It's
Hala, may glutalay po. Ma'am, kailangan mo yan.
a Coconut Express. We're here in Hong Kong.
Tinan mo, nag-hoard kami na Tommy, chalk na, tattoos, Moby, pillows. Oh, ano ba yan?
They have mansions.
Very nice. Hinahanap-hanap natin sa US yan.
Sa US, walang
Sa
ganito,
akin.
guys.
Ay, ano pa? Ayan, heaven. Ano nangyari, Bam? yung Filipino store na pinasukan namin, pinag-subscribe namin sa Pilitan. Sobrang ganda naman dito. Like, may Turkish.
Nag-hoard kami ng mga Filipino snacks.
Yeah.
Okay, so fine. Oh, may kakainan tayo.
Shucks, dito na tayo kumain. Grabe dito. Super nice.
Well, yeah. Pero tuwan-tuwa ako.
Ako din. Parang, alam mo yun, pwede mo ilibre yung mga parents mo, tas dito lang sila. Super payapa.
Morning, guys. Today is Monday. As you can see, we're in the elevator because we're going to eat breakfast. Some of us. And then after that, Hong Kong Disney.
Häagen-Dazs.
Hagen.
Hagen. Ang arte, Hagen lang yun. breakfast time.